An operating system software is responsible for exercise control and coordinate the use of hardware among various application programs and different users. It's an administration for the system's hardware resources. In informal definition, is a system that is to provide an orderly and controlled process memory and input device and output between programs computing parties. Open source software. The state of Kansas publishes a definition use open source software as for short in English as is software for which source code is freely and publicly available. Although specific releases agreement vary in what you can do with that code. Operate under system new. Free software is a matter of the user freedom to run copies, to read, study, change, and improve the software. More precisely, it means that software users have the four essential freedoms. The freedoms to run the program for any purpose, the freedom to study how the program works and change into what you want. Access to the source code is a precondition for this. The freedom to distribute copies so you can help your neighbors. A great example of open source software GNU Linux, which simply means that anyone can obtain copies of the files in your source code. GNU Linux. The new operating system is a complete free software system compatible with Unix to the feature its founder is Richard Stallman. The project to develop the GNU system is called the GNU Project. The GNU Project was conceived in 1893, has widely returned the cooperative spirit that prevailed in the computing community in these early days, making cooperation possible to remove the obstacles imposed within homeowners operating software. Your environment is very easy to use. It is compatible with many applications. It has functions similar to the Windows operating system. The dimensions so distributed of GNU Linux. Fedora, Linux, Gentoo, OpenSUSE, Ubuntu. Advantage. The previous months in GNU is an open source distribution compared to other operating systems like Microsoft Windows. Ability to manipulate the source code more economical because many of the Linux-based systems are free, easier to update and safer. Disadvantage. Freeware drivers do prefer you cannot run Windows programs. Super many Linux distributions do not have a company that supports software package. Name a few such as Mozilla Firefox in this Discord platform that is run on different operating systems. This video will show the new Linux distribution Ubuntu. Ubuntu is an operating system maintained by Canonical in a community of developers that uses a Linux kernel. In this very basis of the VM. Ubuntu is aimed at the average user with a strong focus on usability in an immersive user experience. It is composed of multiple software, typically distributed under a free license or open source. Mac OS. Macintosh operating system Mac OS is the name of operating system created by Apple for its Macintosh line of computer. It is now for being the first system animated at the general public to have a graphical interface composed of the mouse interaction with windows, icons, and menus. This operating system was created 25 years ago. Apple operating system science 1984 is a basic of Unix and was working on technologies developed at Nest, and the first version of Mac OS X server was one in 1989. A very good news is that Mac OS is immune to the two kinds of virus that threaten Windows PCs. thanks to the built-in marks of defenses. Restrict the actions this program can room of the Mac. The files can access and other programs that can open. Advantage: compatibility when connection approval. Installation of software is very simple. It is much cheaper than Windows and there is only one version. Disadvantage: there is a lot for Mac software. It is difficult to find who can support. Not intended to run the last games. Software package: bring programs to support Microsoft files such as Win for Microsoft Office documents. Operating systems: Android. Android is a variant of Linux, specially designed for mobile phones. The development of different applications that the system offers is done from SDK, software development kits, and the programming language is Java. The standards offer is source code under different open source licenses and of source, which highlights the approach. The architecture of this operating system is divided into several parts. In their applications within Java programming language, he was born about 2 years ago. Advantage: the code of Android is open. More than 100,000 applications available for Android phones. Is capable of running multiple applications at once and is managed. Disadvantage: have several open applications makes the battery consumption increases. Unity use inside external application to serve normal use. Software package: for the mobile operating system has more time. Application as mentioned, the benefit available directly to the operating system.